Hey guys, welcome back to DJ's Workshop. Today we're going to be accessorizing the Eurovan again. What I picked up was some mud flaps for it. These are very hard to find nowadays. We were able to find a couple of pairs. One set I got off of Amazon, the other set I got from Go Westy. And I guess basically they're all coming out of Germany and they're getting very difficult to find, especially the front ones. I was able to find a couple pairs. And what I did was I took one of these paint sticks and I basically just painted the VW logo on them. So we got the front, we got the back, and it comes with some hardware kit and some instructions. So we're going to get the van pulled in here, we'll get those installed and see how it looks. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to line up the mud flap in the back here. There's a little groove right here for this lip, and then you can see it kind of contours to the fender. And then on the inside, you have these little flaps, which are going to fold over, and then this clip goes over like this. It just slides on. So we're going to put these three clips on, and then this is going to bolt up under here afterwards. So let me get these three clips on here. All right, so to give you this little piece here, you're going to start that in here, and then it's going to go over like this. I found it's easier if you get yourself a good hammer. Okay, now that's in there. We got one more on the bottom here. Okay, side clips are all on. That looks good. And now it's just a matter of drilling two holes right there, and then that's pretty much it. All right, so we're going to do this. We'll do the other side, and then I'll show you how the back ones go on. Okay, we're going to take the screw they gave us. We're going to mark this hole here. Okay, so I have the two holes drilled. I want to put just a little bit of silicone covering these holes, just to kind of keep any water and stuff from getting in there. All right, then we're going to take the first screw. And I'll take the second one. And that's pretty much it. Secure it on here with these clamps. Just want to make sure they're on there good and tight. And those two screws are there. And that's about it. So let's get this tire back on. We'll do the other side, and then I'll show you how to do the back. All right, so for the back ones, there's a lip here on the frame. And this has a little groove channel here that you slide over the lip. And then you're just going to line this up on the fender, on the bumper actually. They give you three screws. You're going to screw right into here, and then they have these clamps. That's going to go right on here, and that's what's going to hold that on the inside. So let me get this lined up. We'll screw the holes here, and then we'll get that clamped on the inside. First thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to clean any dirt and debris off of here. You can see already this stuff getting accumulated on here because of no mud flaps. So this will help eliminate that. Okay, these are little self-tapping screws. So we want to basically make sure this is snug up where you want it. Line it up so it's nice and straight. Alright, we'll put the first one in here. Okay, there's one. I'll make sure it's straight. That's two. Alright, I guess there's only two that holds it on. And then we just got to put these clamps on in there. Alright, now we just got a little nut we got to tighten there. Alright, that's pretty much it. Okay, we'll get the other side on and then I'll show you what it looks like with all the flaps on here. Alright, so you can see I have the flaps on now. Front ones, back ones. Alright, I think this is going to be a nice little addition to the van. Get some of the mud and stuff from spraying up on the side of the vehicle. So it wasn't that big a deal. When I was researching it, some people were saying, oh, it took me like 2 hours to put them on. I don't know why. It wasn't really that big a deal. Just a couple of screws, a couple of clamps. But yeah, she's good. Now we'll get protection. And like I say, these are very hard to find. So if you can find a pair, you can probably grab them before you can't get them anymore. Alright guys, well, that's another upgrade for the van, and if you liked the video, give a thumbs up, a share, and a like.